Have you ever felt that you know English words, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? That happens because many learners study English word by word. But real speakers do not build every sentence from zero. They use ready-made word groups again and again. These word groups are called chunks. In today's lesson, I am not giving you random vocabulary. I am giving you real-life English chunks that people actually use in daily conversation, and I have organized them in a much smarter way. Instead of only easy, medium, and advanced, today we will learn chunks by situation: greetings and small talk, asking and answering, daily life in movement, feelings and reactions, social plans and invitations, and natural fluency builders. So this lesson will help you speak in a more natural way, not in a textbook way. Here is how to use this video. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to imagine the situation. Do not memorize everything in one day. Pick a few chunks, use them again and again, and they will become part of your speaking. Let's start with the first group. Part 1, Greetings and Small Talk. Repeat after me. Nice to see you. Good to see you again. It's great to see you. How have you been lately? How's everything going? How are things on your side? How's life treating you? What's been going on? What have you been busy with? How has your week been? How's your morning going? How's your evening going? Been a busy day? Long time no talk. It feels like forever. I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing all right. Can't complain. Things are going smoothly. So far, so good. Same old, same old. Nothing too exciting. I've been keeping busy. It's been one of those days. I'm hanging in there. I'm doing better now. That's good to hear. Glad to hear that. Sorry to hear that. I hope things get better. Now let's move to leave-taking chunks. See you around. Catch you soon. Talk soon. I'll see you then. Take it easy. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. Have a safe trip. Get home safe. See you next time. Until next time. Let's stay in touch. Drop me a message. Text me when you arrive. Text me when you arrive. Let me know how it goes. Part 2. Asking, understanding, and clarifying. These chunks are extremely useful when you are talking to someone and need help understanding. I didn't catch that. Could you say that again? Could you slow down a little? Could you explain that in another way? What exactly do you mean? Are you trying to say? Can you give me an example? Could you be a bit clearer? I'm not following you. I'm a little confused. That part isn't clear to me. Let me make sure I understand. So you mean, are you saying that? Do you mean this? Now I get it. That makes much more sense. I see what you're saying. I get where you're coming from. That's a good point. You're absolutely right. I hadn't thought about it that way. I'm not sure I agree. I see it differently. I'm not fully convinced. That depends on the situation. You may be right. That's possible. I'm not certain about that. Let me think about it. Now some useful response chunks. That sounds fair. That sounds reasonable. That works for me. I'm okay with that. That's fine by me. No, that's not what I meant. Let me rephrase that. Let me put it another way. Here's what I mean. That's not quite right. You misunderstood me. Let's start over. Let's go through it again. One step at a time. Take your time. Practical speaking section. Now let's use some of these chunks in mini situations. Nice to see you. How have you been lately? I've been keeping busy. We should catch up soon. Situation 2. Asking for clarification. I didn't catch that. Could you say that again? Can you give me an example? Now I get it. Situation 3. Making a plan. Are you free later? Why don't we grab some coffee? That sounds like fun. I'll let you know by tonight. Situation 4. Giving an opinion. From my point of view, that sounds reasonable. On the other hand, it could go either way. Situation 5. Daily movement. I'm on the way. Traffic is really bad. I'll be there in 10. Thanks for waiting. This is how chunks help you speak faster. You are not building every sentence from zero. You are using ready-made language. So today you learned a large collection of real-life English chunks in a more natural way. Not by memorizing isolated words, not by translating in your head, but by learning English the way it is actually used in conversation. Here is your challenge. Choose 10 chunks from this lesson and use them today. Say them aloud. Write them in the comments. Use them in your daily speaking practice. The more chunks you collect, the faster and more confidently you will speak. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep speaking. See you in the next lesson.